Sixth stanza. Or the greenhouse glass is broken and the trellis post repaired. Aye, there is the wonder of the thing, my cat is not there. And when the foreign office find a treatise gone astray, or the admiralty lost some plans and drawings by the way. New words from this stanza. Trellis, wooden bar used as a support for creepers. Admiralty, a government department that administrated the British Navy. McCavity breaks greenhouse glass or architecture. He escaped from that place quickly and never found. When the foreign officer finds a treaty gone astray or the police lost some plans and drawings by the way. Eighth stanza. There may be a scrap of papers in the hall or on the stair, but it is useless to investigate. McCavity is not there, and when the loss has been disclosed, the Secret Service say it must have been McCavity, but he is a mile away. The foreign officer find them later on, but in the hall or on the stairs, but it is useless to investigate. McCavity escaped from that place. Now it is useless as he is already a mile away. You will be sure to find him resting or licking off his thumbs or engaged in doing complicated long division sums. McCavity, there is no one like McCavity. There never was a cat of such a deceitfulness and suavity. New words from this stanza. Deceitfulness, cunningness, suavity, confidence and sophistication. One can find him either resting somewhere or licking his thumbs or doing some calculations. According to author, there is no one like McCavity. The author says that there had never been such a deceitful and tactful cat in the past. Last stanza. He always has an alibi and one or two to spare. At whatever time the deed took place, McCavity wasn't there. And they say that all the cats whose wicked deeds are widely known. I might mention Mungaji, I might mention Criddlebone, or nothing more than agents for the cat who all the time just controls their operations, the Napoleon of crime. New words from this stanza. I'll be a claim of evidence that one was elsewhere when a crime was committed. Mungaji and Criddlebone, fictional character, specialized in petty theft and mischievous in T.S. Eliot's book, Old Bosoms Book of Practical Cats. Napoleon of crime, the commanding leader of criminals. McCavity is always ready to use an alibi or more, but he is not present at time of the crime. Then the poet mentions about other cats like Mungaji and Criddlebone, whose wicked deeds were also known to people. But those were also the agents of McCavity who controlled their actions. He is really the Napoleon of crime.